Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today we have yet another firewood delivery to do, but this time it is actually to a new customer whose house I've never been to. So it's always an experience when you've never been to a place and you don't know what you're going to get yourself into, but hey, I'm open for new experiences, so let's get into it. We did stop at the house quick because Jade and I decided it was a good idea to make some coffee for the ride, but now that we have that, we are all set to get going. It's about 45 minutes away, but that's all I know about this delivery. I might pull it up on Google Maps to check it out. I like to do that just to see what I'm getting into, but honestly, it's even hard to tell sometimes with Google Maps, so we're just gonna wing it maybe. I think that's a good idea. Wing it. That's like how I live my life. Just winging it. So anyhow, we do need some gas, but then we can hit the road. Oh, gas is on the way. So Jade, get on in, and we'll. It's already in drive, Jade. You better. I'm gonna start driving away without you. Oh, I'm leaving Jade behind. Bye.
I made it safely, buckled up, ready to go. And she didn't run me over, even though she almost did.
You remind me of those people that used to hop on the trains, the moving trains.
Oh yeah, train jumpers or whatever. Oh shoot, coffee.
Oh
boy.
Yeah.
Slurp it up.
It's a bumpy driveway. That's what happened after all the rain. Our driveway just kind of washed out. Quick, drink it. Okay, well we can't go to the Exxon now, can we? For gas.
Just do the second
or
best.
Diesel. Second best? The Cowden sign doesn't even work where it says what the price is for diesel. So when you go to Cowden's, you're just kind of like, I have no idea what I'm paying for this because their sign has been out forever and they just won't fix it. It's kind of dumb. Pisses me off a little bit, but whatever. All right, we are here, and it looks like, I don't know where they want it, but it looks like it shouldn't be too hard. I will have to back down. It's in a little neighborhood, not too tight in here, but you know, it is a little bit. So they do also have a car there. Just initial thoughts on this house. I have my four-way flashers on, and I'm going to run up and tell them I'm here and see exactly where they want it, but I'll be right back. Alright, so she does want it as far back under that garage as possible. I told her that, you know, I can only get it in so far. It is a dump trailer, but, you know, she understood that. So, alright, now it's time for the hard part of backing in. We do have a few obstacles here, but it shouldn't be terrible. Although, you know, this would have been a nice one to have brought the small trailers for, but we had the medium one. That's just how it is. Come on, Betsy. You know what? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to open my doors. You know what? I always make this freaking mistake. I always back too far in to get my doors open. Have I complained about that, you guys? Yet on the channel, I don't know if I've ever said anything, but it bothers me. It's something I do all the time. I'm gonna have to pull forward. Well, I wasn't able to get too much of it in there for her, but I tried. They're gonna have to do a little bit of work, but that's kind of the deal with firewood. Lots of picking it up and putting it down. I'd know, because that was my childhood job. Not one I particularly cared for, I'll tell you that. Well, that's what it takes to shut that thing. Ever since I went on a delivery and the door fell and I kept on picking it up and it bent it a little bit. Now it takes a whole lot of effort to get that thing back where it belongs. And we got what we came for. So I call that mission complete.
Meanwhile, the whole time I just video and am basically stress-free. They're suffering, backing up, the pain's backing up. Oh, I wouldn't know. No, I do. I know how to back up a trailer.
Do we know how to get home without a GPS?
I guess we should just wait and find out.
What?
Challenge ourselves without the GPS. No cheats.
No, it's not cheating. It's how you don't get screwed up. This time of year, there's a lot of construction going on, and so it's always important to keep that in mind, and I definitely do. This time of year, as the firewood deliveries start to pick up, it's not a great time to be running into all kinds of traffic, and we did hit some a little bit, nothing too terrible. I guess that is one pro of living in a small town. Anyhow, at least I have my comfort coffee. My coffee to keep me comfort during sudden stops. But go.
Emerald has road rage? Oh. This is hot gossip.
Well, if you guys haven't tried our coffee, you definitely should, because it's way better than anything else I've ever had, and I've tried a lot of coffee. I'm a coffee lover, and I'm telling you, this is good stuff. And while you're at it, order yourself a mug, because these are really cool handmade ones, and I think that you guys will love them. So definitely try our coffee and order yourself a mug. Order yourself anything that you see on there. Anyhow, I'm just gonna lumbercapital.shop. It's there's a link to it down in the description. It's always there. And I'll see you guys when I get back to the lug yard.
So do you struggle to talk while driving? Like, is that a hard multitask?
Well, Jade, I definitely was there a little bit. You know, it's multitasking,
right.
And sometimes I'm not the best at it when I'm in a new environment, but you guys will forgive me. I'm sure of it. I'm sure, yeah.
Like, it's not an unforgivable thing.
Well, Jade, I'm glad that you just verified that for me.
Yeah,
I was really worried about that. Another delivery down. We're gonna park this trailer and call it a day. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Other than that, we'll see you back here next time. Bye.